In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add optional attendees in Outlook. Adding optional attendees to your calendar events in Outlook is a handy feature that allows you to be flexible with scheduling and mindful of people's availability. It's a simple process, but let's walk through it step by step, ensuring you won't miss any details. First, let's navigate over to Microsoft Outlook either through your application or by going to the Outlook website. You'll want to make sure you're logged in with your account. If you see the sign in option in the top right corner, go ahead and click that. This will prompt you to enter your email address and password. It's always a good idea to ensure you're using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Once signed in, you'll be directed to your Outlook dashboard where you can access various features, including your calendar and emails. Next, take a look at the screen's left side and locate the calendar tab. Clicking on this will bring your calendar interface up, which is where we'll be focusing for the duration of this tutorial. From here, select the date and time that suits your meeting or event. This flexibility allows you to choose a day that works best for you and potentially for your participants as well. After selecting your preferred date and time, you'll see the option to add details to your event. Now look for the More Options button, which will often be near the details of your scheduled event. Clicking on this will expand the event creation menu, giving you a host of additional options and customizations for your meeting. This is where you can add various elements to your appointment, ensuring everything is well organized. With the expanded options visible, you should see a section labeled Optional, or an option to add an optional attendee. When you click on this, you'll be prompted to type the attendee's name or email address. This feature is particularly useful when you want to include individuals who might not need to be at the meeting, but whose presence could be beneficial. You can add multiple names one by one if needed. Outlook will often auto-suggest contacts from your list, making the process even smoother and helping you avoid any typos. Remember, adding attendees as optional is a gentle reminder that their attendance, while appreciated, is not mandatory. This can help relieve pressure and allow for more flexible participation. After you've added your optional attendees and all necessary details, be sure to save your event, ensuring that all invitees are notified of their status. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding optional attendees to your Outlook calendar events. This little trick can save time and personalize your scheduling, allowing for a well-coordinated event that takes everyone's availability into account. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.